Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about chapter 4 from class 9 textbook, that is linear equations in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 where abc are real numbers such that a is not equal to 0, b is also not equals to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables in x and y. Say for example, if we write x plus 3y equal to 5, in this case x and y, there are two variables. Power of x is 1, power of y is also 1, so that's why it is linear. And since it is equal to 5, so it is called linear equation in two variables. Let me give one example. Cost of 2 bats and 3 balls be rupees 2300 form a linear equation in two variables. Suppose cost of 1 bat be rupees x and cost of 1 ball be rupees y. Here it is given 2 bats and 3 balls. So we can consider cost of 2 bats is rupees 2x and cost of 3 balls rupees 3y. And as given cost of 2 bats and 3 balls is rupees 2300. So 2x plus 3y is 2300. This is an example of linear equation in two variables because there are two variables and powers of both x and y is 1. In exercise 4a, first question is, write each of the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. In the first part it is given minus 3x plus 5y equals to 14. Now we have to rearrange this one in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So we can write minus 3x plus 5y. This 14, if I transfer in the other side, it will be minus 14 equals to 0. Or minus 3x plus 5y plus this minus 14 we can write it separately equals to 0. Now if we compare this equation with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, then a will be minus 3, b will be 5 and c will be minus 14. So a, b, c equals to minus 3, 5 and minus 14 respectively. In second part it is given x by 2 minus y minus 7 equals to 0. So here it can be written as half into x. Half into x is same as x by 2. Since it is minus y, we can write plus. This minus can be written in the form of minus 1 into y plus this minus 7 also can be written like this. So half x means x by 2 plus minus minus y plus minus minus 7. So we have just written this one in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now if I compare this with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, then a will be half, b will be minus 1 and c will be minus 7. In third part it is given 3x plus 2y equal to 7.25. Here it can be written as 3x plus 2y minus 7.25 equals to 0, which can be considered as 3x plus 2y plus minus 7.25 equals to 0. Just because we are comparing this equation with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, here both are positive, that's why we have kept minus 7.25 in a bracket. Now if I compare this with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, a will be 3, b will be 2 and c will be minus 7.25. In fourth part, question is 5x equal to minus 6y, which can be written as 5x plus 6y equals to 0. Since we have to compare it with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, here c is not given, so we can write c equals to 0. So it can be written as 5x plus 6y plus 0 equals to 0. Now if I compare this with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, then a will be 5, b equals to 6 and c equals to 0. In fifth part it is given twice x plus 7 equals to 0. As you can see here, y part is missing. As we have to compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, so we must get by term. So we can write 2x plus 0y plus 7 equals to 0. If I compare this with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, then a will be 2, b equals to 0 and c equals to 7. In sixth part it is given y minus 7 equals to 0. As you can see here, x part is missing, so we can write 0x plus y minus 7 equals to 0. This can be written as 0x plus y plus minus 7 equals to 0. So if I compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, a will be 0, b will be 1, y means 1y, and c equals to minus 7. In 7 part it is given 5 equal to 2x. Now if I transfer 2x in the other side, it will be minus 2x. Y part is missing, so we can get 0y plus 5 equals to 0. Just because y part is missing, we are writing 0y. Now if I compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, a will be minus 2, b equals to 0, and c equals to 5. In last part from question number 1, it is given y equal to x by 4. If I cross multiply 4 into y, 4y equals to x, which can be written as x equal to 4y. Now if I transfer this 4y in the other side, it will be x minus 4y plus 0 equals to 0. Just because c is missing, we are writing 0 here. If I compare this with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, then a will be 1, b will be minus 4, and c will be 0. In question number 2, it is given, write each of the following as an equation in two variables x and y. Here 3x equal to minus 5, this is given in the first part. In this equation y is missing and we are to express in the form of two variables. So we can write 3x minus 5 can be written as plus 5 equals to 0. So 3x plus 0y plus 5 equals to 0. Since y term is missing, we have to write 0y. Next question is y equal to 6. It can be written as y minus 6 equals to 0. Here x part is missing, so we can write 0x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. In third part, it is given 5x equal to 9 by 2. So if I cross multiply 5 to ja, 10x minus 9 equals to 0. Here again y part is missing, so it will be 10x plus 0y minus 9 equals to 0. And in the last part, it is given y equal to 5 by 2x. If I cross multiply, it will be 2y equal to 5x, which can be written as 5x equal to 2y. Here 5x minus 2y, c part is missing, so we can write plus 0 equals to 0. In question number 3, it is given the cost of a ball pen is rupees 5 less than half the cost of gel pen. Write this statement as a linear equation in two variables. Here we have to consider the cost of ball pen and gel pen. Suppose let the cost of ball pen be rupees x and cost of the gel pen be rupees y. We can consider anything. If you want, you can take cost of the gel pen be rupees x and cost of the ball pen be rupees y. Here in this case, I have considered cost of the ball pen is rupees x and the cost of a gel pen is rupees y. Now it is given that cost of a ball pen, here ball pen is x, so cost of a ball pen is rupees 5 less. Since it is given rupees 5 less, so it will be minus 5. Then half the cost of gel pen. We have considered gel pen to be y, so it will be y by 2. So cost of a ball pen is rupees 5 less than half the cost of gel pen. Now if we multiply everything by 2, 2 into x, 2x. Here if you multiply by 2, 2 and 2 will be cancelled. It will be y minus 5 to the 10. So twice x minus y plus 10 equals to 0. I hope these sums are clear, and that's the end of 4a. In the next video, I am going to show sums of 4b. Till then, bye bye, take care, and wait for the next part.